2011 Nissan Sentra. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do the exhaust manifold catalytic converter on it. First off, we're going to remove that cover on the floor right there. By removing that 10mm bolt that's attached here and here. It looks like this. This one only had one, but that's it. And then next, after taking those off, we're gonna disconnect the battery for safety, at least the positive, and drop that down. And like that, there we go. Battery's disconnected. Next, we're gonna remove this cover right here at the top. This part right here is all coming off. So you got an 8mm back there and an 8mm right here, and I think there's a clamp right here that needs to come off. If you look at where it's at, it's a clamp right here that needs to come off, and you don't have to take that one down, but this one right here, just to get some of this stuff out of your way on this side, because you are going to have to come down in here, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there's a 10mm bolt right there, which is pretty rusty, and it's probably going to freaking break when I do it. And then there's another one on this side, which I can't really see right now. And there's some more on top. One right here and one right here. You got to get those removed in order to drop this exhaust. All right. And you might want to do this when it's kind of cool instead of hot like me, because I'm a hot boy. What can I do about it? I'm a hot boy. I'm a hot boy. There's the other bolt right there. And the other one is down there somewhere. Somewhere down there. Let's see. Move this. Get to it now. Well, it won't let me be great right now, folks. I'd have to get the endoscope and show you. It's kind of tight to get my phone back there, but yeah, that's where it's at. So we're gonna work on getting all of this stuff removed, and I'll be back. And what that did was just opened up some space for me to at least be able to get through here a little bit with my hand and reach down back there once the engine cools a little bit more, because this one's been running for a little while and it's still pretty hot to the touch. But yeah, I'm gonna go back in there, and next, since it's hot up here, I'm gonna start disassembling the bottom. All right, as you can see here, I got those 4 bolts out of there, and the way I slid it out was through the top of here. You gotta kind of finagle and move it, but it comes right out pretty easily. It's not that bad. Next thing I'm gonna do now is I know I said I was going to the bottom, but I went on ahead and finished that up while it was still hot. I'm gonna go up under it now that I got it in the air pretty good. So I got it off the ground pretty good right here, and what I'm gonna do is start disassembling the bottom portion of everything. I'll show you that in 1 minute. All right. Boy, I almost forgot about y'all folks. Hey, I'm trying to get good at this, right? So when you come up under here, coming right off the exhaust, you see those bolts? There are 5 bolts. 2 on this side. There should be 1 in the center right there. If you can see that one. Let's see, can I get it? Yeah. There's 1 there. 1 right there in the center. See it? All right, get clear. All right, my camera don't want to pick it too good, but got that one, and then you got 2 more over on this side right here, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. So you see that one right there. Adjust, baby. Get right. Get right. Come on, you can do it. So if you can see that one right there. Hold on. Just trying, y'all. My polar ting-ting. But okay, there's 2 on that side too. And when you get those off, that comes off. But anyway, you gotta get this 16 right here at the bottom off. You could probably use a wrench on this one. And that one could probably zip out with the gun. I need to spray that with some rust penetrant too. And then you got a plate. You got a plate. Hold on. Let's see. And then you got this plate that's held in by 4 13mm bolts. And those go up here where it's dirty at. Comes across this bracket to these right here. So you can pull those 4 bolts I got a handy dandy snappy that pulled mine for me. And then yeah, after that, this is the O2 sensor clip over here somewhere, right here. So O2 sensor, disconnect that guy from there, like so. I just set it up here for the time being and not dangle in my face. Just push the little clip on the end. There's a clip on the end. It's on the other side. So there's a clip right here with a button on it right there. And you just push that in and pull it apart. And that comes off. And I got ants under here, man. But look at them. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Yeah, so I'm gonna hurry this the hell up. But yeah, just letting y'all know a quick little overlook of the Nissan Sentras. I think this is from like 8 to 12 or something like that. But it's about the same as the Versa. If you see one of those videos, go check it out. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this up and get the heck from under here, y'all. Bye.